If you are trying to download Google Chrome on a Windows 7 laptop, this video will walk you through the safest and easiest way to do it step by step. Whether you are using Internet Explorer, Firefox, or any other browser that still works on your laptop, you can follow along and get Chrome downloaded in just a few minutes. And before we begin, if this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides like this. It really helps the channel a lot. Alright, let's get started. First, open any browser that is already available on your Windows 7 laptop. If you have Internet Explorer installed, you can use that. If Firefox is already on your computer, that works too. Basically, just open whatever browser you can access right now so you can search for Chrome online. Once the browser opens, go to the search bar at the top and type Google Chrome Download. Then press Enter or click the search button. This will show you a list of results, but here is the important part. Do not click random websites or third-party download pages. A lot of those sites can be unsafe, outdated, or include extra software you do not want. Instead, look for the official Google Chrome download page. That is the safest option and the one you should always choose. When you find the official Chrome website, open it. On that page, you should see the main download button for Chrome. Click Download Chrome to begin the process. After that, your browser may ask where you want to save the setup file. You can usually leave the default location or choose your desktop if you want to find it more easily later. Then save this file and wait for the download to finish. Depending on your internet speed, this may take a few moments. Once the file is downloaded, you will be ready for the next step, which is running the setup file and installing Chrome on your Windows 7 laptop. But for this video, the main goal was to show you how to safely find the official Chrome download and save the installer without getting tricked by fake websites. If you followed along, you are now one step closer to using Chrome on your laptop. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you do not miss more easy tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.